This is Karen Ranzi of Super Healthy Children and feelfabulous.with-food.com. I'm going to talk with you today about high pH foods against viruses, especially the coronavirus. And if we look back at research in the Journal of Virology from April of 1991, we will learn that all you need to do to beat the coronavirus is to take in these high pH foods. Now, this is something that has not been talked about on the media. Building your immunity so that you can handle anything that comes your way. Well, let me tell you some of these high pH foods that are beneficial for you, and especially right now. Lemons. Lemons have a very high alkalinity. Their pH is 9.9 pH. Now, the ideal pH balance is between 7.35 and 7.45. So all of these foods I'm going to tell you about are higher than that. So you've got, I told you, lemon 9.9, avocado 15.6 pH, mango 8.7, tangerine 8.5, pineapple 12.7, and the bromelain in pineapple is really good for your digestion. Dandelion, oh my goodness, 22.7 pH. So if you really want to start turning around the alkalinity in your body, you've got to start eating these high pH foods. All leafy greens. Orange, 9.2. All the berries, 7.5. Cucumber and zucchini are a 9. Spinach, 10. Broccoli, 9. So all the leafy greens. Also important to know that cooking can sometimes change that pH level and make it lower. So better to eat your food raw than cooked. So most fresh vegetables are a pH of 8 to 10, but when they're cooked, they could go down like even to 6.5. So keep as much raw food as possible and build up your immunity that way. And you should not have to worry about dealing with viruses. Your body will be in great shape. This is something that we need to be talking about more today. And I'm not saying here that you will never get a virus, because it's still possible. And there are other factors other than what you're eating. But you want to build your immune system. And when you do, then you have the best defenses. And there's a quote by Dr. T. Colin Campbell. He is from the Center for Nutrition Studies and wrote the book, The China Study. And he says, let's defend against the worst effects of COVID-19 by strengthening our immune systems through our food choices. So listen carefully to these foods, and they may help you when you need them most. Thank you for being with me. Please subscribe. Please comment. I would love to hear what you have to say about the high pH foods, and like when you can. Thank you so much.